Oh, easily played. Two is the call. Is it in the gap? A dive. And it goes to the boundary. And UAE has created history, beating a strong India A side led by Isha Oja. Remain not out. And that's the final results. UAE winning by 7 wickets. Charvi, take it away.
Oh dear, what have they done here this evening? You can see the sights beating India A by 7 wickets. I tell you, 7 wickets. And it's that tall girl there, 72 of 61 not out. 8 boundaries and 2 maximums. They have pulled off the biggest win in history, and they only go upwards from here on. What a win and what a start to the tournament, creating an upset immediately. And of course, the coach and the support staff will be delighted in the way that the girls have played.
Very, very happy for the UAE side as well as you, Charvi. Congratulations. I'm sure that you would have spent a lot of time in the field, but not had these moments in your cricketing career. But what an occasion for the girls of UAE. Talk about that.
Oh, it's going to be a lot that will go behind, a lot of hours of work, tireless hours of work that have gone behind to bring them here. And this for them is only a start and a way upwards. Coming into this tournament, the hell's hell up. Coming in for them, this was an important and very big platform. Didn't make it to the qualifiers, UAE. Missed out on that World Cup chance many a times. But coming here and creating this upset. And take a note of it. 13th February 2026, when UAE women beat India A.
Nice pair of thought for India. Some of the catches they dropped, they never looked they were comfortable. Under pressure coming into this game. Sometimes when you play the minnows, you're expected to win the game. But certainly the UAE side, led by the coach, led by the captain, has bought the A games. Miles Gallo, a wonderful location. Dancing in the aisle, that's what you play the game for. Enjoy these moments, ladies. It doesn't come often, but when it does, you make sure every bit of it be celebrated. And also just talking about Hot Chandani coming in at number 5, left-hander to face the left-arm spinner. These are the little things which can go a long way.
And of course, the coach as well, think of that. And they will take this win. They'll remember this for a very, very long time, I'll tell you. But the tournament is just getting started. You can see the delight on their face. They bowled well, they kept it tight throughout, picked up the important wickets, and the way they made the chase with 4 balls to spare, getting to the target of 131. It's been class and brilliance all the way through.
It's all about the senior players standing up to the occasion. Isha Oja with the bats remain not out of 72 of 61. Samaira with the new ball, 3 wickets, put the brakes on the run scoring in the power play. Yes, she went for 18 runs in the last over, but the way she batted, the 34 of 31 delivery, it took the pressure off Isha, who just had to play the anchor role for the side, and in the end made the difference. And 130 is always not enough. The surface which was playing well for the batters.
And also Samaira, that contribution not only with the ball but with the bat, that partnership that she built in between with Isha.